Ready to learn how to create and sell your own activity books? If you've been wanting to add activity books to your product line as an author, but you're not sure how to get started, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, quickly, without needing Amazon KDP. Now, if you haven't yet started your own author business, make sure you do that ASAP. That's the way we're going to make money. Watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge where I show you how to do it. Go to christianbusinesstoolkit.com. Step number 1 for how to create and sell activity books without needing Amazon KDP, choose your niche. Choose your niche. Activity books are a huge trend all over right now because there are so many different ways to use these. And I'm not talking about just activity books for kids. Activity books for adults as well. So because there is so much variety, you have to really narrow in on your niche, the problem that you're solving with this activity book, in order to really be able to carve your spot in all the competition. And I say competition loosely because honestly, if somebody's going to buy one activity book, they're most likely going to buy 10 to 20. There's not really competition, but you want to make sure that whatever activity book you design aligns with your brand, the reputation you are wanting to build as a faith-based author. And that should be in accordance to the problem you solve. If you don't know the problem you solve as an author, get into my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge. I show you how to figure that out on day 1. So the easiest way for me to find what's best selling in my niche is just to go to Amazon.com. Right over here where it says all, select books, and then type in activity book. And let it autofill and look what comes up. These are the most searched phrases in your region. So activity books for kids, ages 3 to 5, that's one niche. Activity books for kids, same niche. Activity books for seniors, that's a different niche. Activity books for kids 8 through 12, that's a third niche. Activity book for teens, that's a fourth. Activity books for adults is what I want to do. That's a fifth. 2-year-old, 6 to 8, 5-year-old. So go ahead and search, or you can just hit enter. And then on the right here where it says sort by, go to bestsellers, and that'll also show you what's doing very, very well. So stress-free, Easter, this one's for kids. Scissor skills, that's for kids for sure. This is finding pictures. Easy and relaxing memory activity book, so to help people with their memory. Brain games. Oh, this is so cute. My sticker dress up dancers, awesome activity book with 350 plus stickers for unlimited possibilities. This is a brilliant idea. Learn to read activity books. That's for kids again. For me, let me go ahead and search for adults because I am looking for something that I can do for my authors. The ultimate logic puzzle. So this is a logic activity book. Scavenger hunt, memory, mind games, activity book, games, puzzles, and more. So really, it's looking like mostly puzzle books, which makes sense. True crime, 3-in-1 word search, curious minds, easy breezy adult activity book. Yeah, puzzles, word searches, coloring pages, spot the difference. Yeah, it's just going to be memory stuff. So I'm trying to think, how can I tie that to authors? So maybe a activity book for adults, and I'll do author edition. Step number 2 for how to create and sell activity books without using Amazon KDP. Design your book for the correct template. Design your book for the correct template. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do digital activity books, so ebook printables. So you're going to want to do 8.5 by 11 because somebody's printing this out at home. You want it to be a full size paper. Let me know though if you want to see hard copy activity books, like the ones that are printed and shipped to your customer, because we can do that as well. Just let me know in the comments below and I'll do a second video on activity books. But you want to choose the right template, okay? If people are printing these out at home, then you want to make sure that it's something that they can actually fit in their computer paper or in their printer paper. If you're selling this for parents to use for their kiddos on an iPad, then you want to design it for the iPad sizing, 1080 by 1920. Make sure that you know the delivery form of your activity book so you choose the right template size. To create a printable activity book, I like to just use Canva. Canva has amazing templates that you can use. So go ahead and go over to here, custom size, and then select unit, change that to inches, and put 8.5 by 11 because we want this to be printable, and then click create new design. Printable just means somebody can print it out on their home computer. So you do want the size to match what our home computer's standard print. Okay, so on the left here, go to apps. And you see where it says search Canva apps? Go ahead and type in activity and then select activities maker. And right here, click activities maker again. And you can do word searches, crosswords, you could do mazes. And keep checking back in because there's no reason to think they won't keep adding stuff, right? So I'm gonna add a page here and I'll start with a word search. I'll do maybe hobbies. Max number of words 12, rows 14. And I want this to all be completely difficult. So let me actually do way more. So remember, I'm doing this for authors. Generate. So it gives you 2. So here is the one for them to fill out, and this is the keywords. Sorry, the answer key. So let me duplicate this and this first one. So I'm going to say that mine is for authors to get inspired to write their next character. So I'll put a little prompt. So here on the left, I'll go to text, add a text box, and I'll put, what are hobbies your next character can have to make them more desirable as a protagonist? And then just let them look for what those hobbies could be. Make this big. I want my writing to be more handwriting-ish. So handwriting, or maybe I should do a typewriter because as authors, we do a lot of typing. Let's see. I could be here all day. I love designing stuff like this. This is really cute. I like this. And just to make my font a little bit unique, I'll put a little bit of a thickness on it. There we go. I'm just going to take down this border. Oh, so much better. That border weight is so much nicer. And then we go to elements and I'm just going to type in writer. Let's see what we get. I'm on the free plan, so a lot of stuff that I would normally have access to, I don't. So keep that in mind, okay? Look at my little author here. Do we have another one? Maybe a pen. What else do we have? I'm a screenwriter, so this appeals to me as a screenwriter. Ooh, look at, oh, it's on the paid plan. This little book here. I'll do that in black. And then let me just copy and paste this and flip it, flip horizontal. I'll just do another pen here. And this is printable, so I don't want to make it too thick on the page, but if I do a little, maybe a square, like a cute little shape, kind of, maybe this, just to give me a little bit more texture to the page. All right, I love it. So that's one page. And so we do need to make sure we put the answer key. So I'm actually just going to copy and paste this, delete that, move this up here. And then now let's do puzzle 2. Let's see. We're going to go back over to apps, activity maker again. We could keep doing word searches, but let's just go ahead and do a custom a word search again. Let's do countries. Generate. And then again, it gives you the puzzle and it gives you the answer key. Let me move the answer key to this page. And I'll put a little character here. And then puzzle 2 for authors. What countries can your next character be from? So this is our activity book. I would want to obviously keep going. But just for the sake of time, I've already been here a really long time. I'm just going to pause here, but you can see how you can really build out something really fun. And then we do need a front page. So I'm going to go to design and I'm going to go activity book cover. Oh, this one's for pro, but this is actually really cute. This is another pro, drawing and coloring book, activity book. This will work. I'll put this one. Oh, this is so cute. Ah, can you imagine my marketing? Let me just get rid of this guy, copy and paste. If I were going to print this out, I would do up these colors, like do them up. But anyway, so this is going to be activity book for authors, character profile. And then you'll click, when you're all done, click share, click download, change that to PDF print, flatten, and download. And you got yourself an activity book. And then step number 3 for how to create and sell activity books without needing Amazon KDP, list your activity book for sale on your own website and start marketing. List your activity book for sale on your own website and start marketing. So for us to make money with these activity books, we need to put it into its own online bookstore. That is what your website is. Do not let the tech stop you. I've seen a couple of comments on my channel from people saying they're not tech savvy or they don't think they can build their own website. And the honest truth is, I don't offer one-on-one coaching. I don't offer service like to build a website for people. But I still want you to win, right? I want you to win. I want you to build your website. I want you to start making these sales. And that's why I partnered with Hostinger, because it's an AI builder anybody can use to get their website started. So I'm begging you, give yourself permission to just try. Just try. I didn't use it. In my past, I couldn't plug my computer to the printer. I didn't know how to connect them, right? And I'm talking about as recently as 2015. Like, I didn't know how to do anything tech related. And now, praise God, I feel like I can build a website from scratch. All glory to Jesus. So just give yourself permission to try with the resources that are right in your hand. Because for us to make money with our books, we have to be able to sell them off the KDP platform, because KDP takes such a large percentage of the sale. If you want to see exactly how much, watch this video that I recorded. I literally compare apples to apples. You'll see the amount that my book makes on KDP versus if I sell it on my website. It's insane, the difference. But that's the only way we're going to make real money, is if we're able to sell through our own websites and either drop ship through KDP or deliver as a digital ebook, so we can be more profitable. I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostinger.com. They have sponsored today's video and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostinger.com/Godlywood Girl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites, and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like, if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month, no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that and type in Godlywood Girl, and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godlywood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. And then it's going to land you on the AI website builder. Select the Hostinger website builder. So go ahead and enter your brand name. So I am creating activity books for authors to use to come up with ideas. This activity book helps authors come up with ideas for their next character. And then make sure you have add online store to my site checked off, and then click create a website. And just like that, look at this. We have a website. This is so cool. Look at this. Plot building essentials, story starters, character development tools. That is amazing. And the AI did everything. The AI did everything. It's insane. So once you're generated, go ahead and click continue. So the first thing it's going to take us to is setting up our store. So right here, click add product. Select digital product. Mine is a digital activity book. Upload your front cover of your activity book. So mine is this one. Click open. And what's cool is it's going to generate a book description for you, so you don't even have to write it. It's so cool. And then I'm going to click add media, and I'm also going to select the other image because since it is activity book, I do want them to see what one of the activities looks like. And then scroll down, set your pricing, and then upload your PDF file that you downloaded because that's going to be when they purchase. That's going to be what they get. I forgot to get mine, so I'm just going to select this. I always make the link available for 30 days and then click save. Now it's going to take you to your product manager. So just deselect these other ideas that they gave you, but feel free to go make them, right? There's no reason you can't be selling 10 products today. You saw how easy this process is. But I'm going to select those and click delete, delete. So all that should be left is my activity book. And then right up top here, click edit website. Hostinger is what you see is what you get. It's what makes it so user friendly, and anybody can use this. So this is your home page. So like I said, it's what you see is what you get. All you got to do is click and edit. So for example, right over here, I'm going to click add section. I'm going to select online store. I'm going to select single product. And then right here where it says edit section, click that, select the product, and then grab your activity book. And now our activity book is on the main page. How cool is that? I love it so much. So here, if I want to, I can go ahead and make sure I link all of these to my activity book. So where it says link to, select page, and select your activity book. So mine is right here. And I can do the same thing for all of these, right? So every shop button, you want to go ahead and link to your product. So page, activity book. And then here, these colors, I'm going to change it to my activity book color. Awesome. And then up here, if I don't love this, which I don't, I can click edit image and then click replace image. And then I can go to free images and just search for an image you like. So I'll put author writing. Oh, yeah, these are great. This one's great too. This one's great. Yeah, a lot of really nice options. And these are free, right? Hostinger provides these for us to just use as part of our plan. It's absolutely insane. So novel plan. Oh, let's do this one. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Good. And then up here, I'll click logo. I like to turn the logo off. I'll keep all these pages. I think I already select this? Click edit button, start to, no, not yet. So page, make sure all of these buttons point to your product so somebody can start purchasing from you very, very quickly. And then here's our activity book. I love this section, so I'm going to keep that. I'll probably get rid of this just because I don't have multiple books yet. And I love this section. I love this. Well, I don't have testimonials yet, so I'll just click here and delete. And as soon as I have testimonials, I'll come back and add that. And then over here, I don't have social, so I'll delete that. And that's it. That's literally a website. It looks professional, looks well laid out, and somebody can come purchase right away. So click save and then go ahead and preview your website. Make sure you like everything. So I'm just going to scroll down. Yep, very nice. I love it. They can go ahead and read the blog that Hostinger literally created for me. They can purchase. If I go to shop, they can get my book right here. If they go to ideas, all these blog articles that Hostinger literally wrote for me. Thanks. If we go to characters, again, more content that Hostinger created for me. Go back to home. And if I don't have any other changes, then I can go ahead and click go live. To get started to build your own website using the website AI Builder as well, just go to hostinger.com/godlywoodgirl. Use discount code godlywoodgirl at checkout to get 10% off your entire hosting plan. Now, if you don't know how to write and self-publish your own books, I created an incredible program for you called the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School, where I show you how to do it step by step. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodnez, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the Godlywood Girl Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you haven't yet started your author business, make sure you go to ChristianBusinessToolkit.com and watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge. I'll show you how to get started step by step. And don't forget to watch this video for even more resources to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there.